Hello. I know we all have been in this situation where the MacBook just won't charge with the charger. I did some detailing and I saw what's happening actually. So I took the MacBook and so I close enough and you could see there is a lot of debris inside it. And what you actually have to do is just clean it with a brush and you will see the charging cable has no issues at all. It's almost fine and clean. So the brush you can use, I use the one which I use for brushing my teeth. So yeah, you can choose whichever brush which you have as a spare one, and you just clean it. And just see how I cleaned it. It's looking pretty neat, and just see the difference between the other port. So you see I did a good job, right? So now the problem is solved, and now you will just connect the MagSafe charger and your laptop will charge. You just move it slightly and it will reconnect because of the magnetic charger, and it works.